everybody. Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a small crochet bow. It will take about 4-5 minutes to do it. So let's get started. Make a magic loop or adjustable circle. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to crochet double treble crochet stitch. So we wrap the yarn around the hook 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So we call it double treble crochet. We insert the hook in the center of the ring, pull the yarn. Now we pull the yarn through 2 stitches, then through 2 stitches again, then through 2 stitches again, and through 2 last stitches on the hook. And we're going to repeat. Wrap the yarn 3 times around the hook. Insert the hook in the circle and pull it through 2 stitches, then pull it again, pull the yarn through 2 stitches and pull the yarn through more stitches, through the last 2 stitches. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now join it with a slip stitch. So 1 petal is ready. And again, we simply repeat the same what we've done before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double treble crochet. Stitch 1, 2, 3. And chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to the center. Slip stitch. Oh, sorry. Just pull the yarn here. This one short tail. Pull it. And now cut this yarn, leave a long tail because we are going to wrap the center. So pull again. And now what we are going to do is to wrap the center. So that's how it looks. I just want to pull it through here to tie this short tail. So make a knot. You can rope more if you want. Make a knot. And it's good to have these tails because using them you can attach the bow to the sweater, to the hat. It is also, I like also to decorate the center of the bow with some beads or stones, so it's up to you. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe if you like it, and have a good day. Bye.